Alright, welcome back to my channel, guys. And today we'll be learning how to give a very good hair lining, a very good hair shape. And if you could remember what I told you from the beginning of this channel, I told you that whenever you want to shape a hair or you want to skin a hair, the first thing you need to do is to join the blade together. Make sure that they are well joined. After that, you watch the way my hand is moving, the way I'm rotating my hand, the way I'm moving my hand, the way I'm curving my hand. All these things are the basic things you need to learn. After this, you are good to go. If you can watch closely and see how this client feel relaxed, because I set the blade very well and he's not feeling pained. That's why I told you that once you see my video for the first time and you're passing by, please don't just go. Wait, watch and follow this channel, subscribe to this channel, like and share this video, because we are learning together. Nobody knows it all. We are all learning. So let's build a community. Anything you don't understand in this video or anything that's giving you difficult, please comment in the comment box, and I will reply you. I just want somebody one day who just come to the comment section and comment that, oh, high universal cut, I learned this from your video and today I'm able to barb any of my sibling, and I'll be very happy. This is why I'm here. Understand, nothing is hard in this life. Barbing is very sweet. All you need to do is to be consistent, be focused, know what you are doing. That is just it. What the way my hand is moving, what the way I'm turning the clipper, all these things, they are the things you need to know. After it, you are good. I told you from my last video, I told you that don't be intimidated. Just watch closely what the way my hand is moving, what the way I'm shaping it, what the way I'm controlling the client. All these things, they are the necessity you need to know. There's nothing hard in barbing. So please like this video, comment, share, subscribe to this channel. Let's grow together, let's build a community, let's be one family, let's learn together. Understand? So anything that you see here now that I did not do well, please comment, tell me, let me be corrected. Nobody's above learning, nobody's above mistake. So guys, I'll be very glad to hear that some persons here, they're able to barb their children, they're able to barb their friends through my channel. Please subscribe.